soy Kiran. Bienvenido en clase de español. ¿Cómo están? I hope everyone is doing well. ¿Están listos, amigos, para aprender nuevo tema? So, are you ready to learn new topic with me? So, we are going to learn demonstrative pronouns in Spanish. So, in this video, we are going to see what is demonstrative pronoun and how do we use in Spanish. So, without any further ado, let's
start.
What is demonstrative pronoun? So, in English, demonstrative pronoun is one of the words like this, that, these, and those, used instead of a noun to point people or thing out, like that looks fun. And in Spanish, demonstrative pronoun in Spanish have to agree with the noun that they are replacing. Okay, like ¿qué abrigo te gusta? I ask you, ¿qué abrigo te gusta? Which coat do you like best? And in demonstrative answer, we say that este de aquí, this one here, which you have in your hand, we use este. Okay, singular, este de aquí, this one here. I hope you understand what is demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so demonstrative pronouns in singular form, we have singular and plural and neuter in Spanish. So we are going to learn one by one. Okay, singular demonstrative pronouns, this or this one. Masculine, we write este, and for feminine, we write esta. Okay, that or that one, close by. Okay, masculine ese and feminine esa. Masculine ese and feminine esa. That or that one, further away. Okay, that or that one, further away. First we learn close by, then second is further away. Aquel or aquella. Masculine we use aquella, aquel, and for feminine we use aquella. Plural demonstrative pronoun, we learn singular, now we learn plural. These or these ones, éstos used for masculine and éstas used for feminine. Remember, we use éstos and éstas for plural demonstrative. Those ones close by, we learn those, and now we are going to learn those ones close by. Okay, ésos and ésas, ésos for masculine and ésas for feminine. Those ones over there, we learn those ones close by, and now we learn those ones over there, aquellos, aquellas. Aquellos for masculine, aquellas for feminine. So here are a complete chart, so you can see and learn how do we use, like este, ese, aquel used for masculine singular, and esta, esa, aquella used for feminine singular. Estos, esos, aquellos used for masculine plural, and estas, esas, aquellas used for feminine. Neuter, esto, eso, aquello. So here are the meaning, you can easily check. So masculine singular, I tried to give a picture to understand easy तरीके से समझने के लिए ये पिक्चर है. I hope you understand. Este, this, close, this, close by, these. Okay, this, that, and that ones. This, este, ese, and aquel for singular masculine. And masculine plural, we use estos, these, esos, these ones, those ones, esos, those ones, aquellos, those ones. Okay, we use plural form. Feminine singular, this, esta, esa, that, aquella, that one. Feminine plural, estas, these, ésas, those ones, and aquellas, those ones. I hope you understand what is demonstrative pronoun. In example, we see Spanish. Este es mío. Este es mío. I say este es mío, but you don't understand what is mine, because if I don't figure out what I have, मेरे पास क्या है, मैं आप कैसे जान सकते हैं. मैं बोल रही हूँ and this is my, but I have to show you ना that this is my. So este es mío. Este refer to replace the noun libro. Este es mío, el libro. Esa es tuya, that is your. So esa refer या फिर referring to a chair. Aquel es suyo, aquel es suyo. So aquel replaces to coche, coche, car. That over there is his, a car. Estas son nuestras, estas son nuestras. Estas, estas. So estas replace las llaves, means keys. These are ours. So क्या है हमारी keys, key. Okay. Spanish, esos son suyos. Esos replace los zapatos. Esos son suyos. So those are theirs. Those are there. So los zapatos are there. Okay. Aquellas son nuevas. What are new? So there are houses which are new. So here are some houses which are new. Aquellas son nuevas. So aquellas here referring to houses. Those over there are new. The neuter forms esto, eso, aquello. So we use esto, eso, aquello are used to talk about an object you don't recognize or about an idea or statement. Then we use esto, eso, aquello. Like, ¿qué es eso que llevas en la mano? ¿Qué es eso? What's that you have got in your hand? No puedo creer que esto me esté pasando a mí. No puedo creer que esto me esté pasando a mí. I can't believe this is really happening to me. So I don't understand what is the thing is. Okay. Next, aquello sí que me gusta. I really did like that. Aquello, what? We don't know what is aquello. So we use aquello. I don't know what you like. So I say, aquello sí que me gusta. I really did like that. I hope you understand what is este, esta, ese, esa, aquel, aquella. So we learn este, esta, and aquelle, aquellos. And the last we are going to check out what we learned today. We learned Spanish demonstrative pronoun agree with the noun they are replacing. Second thing, we learned that masculine and feminine demonstrative pronouns sometimes have an accent. So remember, sometimes have an accent on them in both the singular and the plural. In Spanish, you have to choose the correct pronoun to emphasize the difference between something that is close to you and something that is further away. Este, esta, éstos, and éstas, meaning these and these, are used to indicate things and people that are very close. Okay, ese, esa, esos, and ésas, meaning that and those, are used to indicate things and people that are near the person you are talking to or that aren't too far. Last thing we learned that aquel, aquella, aquellos, aquellas, meaning that and those, are used to negate things and people that are further away. So last we learned the neuter pronouns esto, eso and aquello are used to talk about things that you don't recognize or to refer to statement or idea. They never have an essence. Remember, they never have an essence. So I hope you understand. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Gracias por ver. Hasta luego.